Hello, my dear students and my dear future nursing officers. In the today's video, we will discuss about the holiday and Segar formula. See, when the child is being admitted to the hospital for one or the other reason, like maybe G, that is gastroenteritis, or the diarrhea, or the typhoid, or for the burns, or for the food poisoning, or for the dehydration status, or for the fever. For some other reasons, the child may require an IV fluid therapy. Okay, so there it is very important to calculate the how much fluid is required for the a child. So in such cases, we do use this Holiday and Segar formula to calculate the fluid maintenance in the children. Okay, तो चलिए आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करते हैं हॉलिडे एंड सेगर फार्मूला के बारे में। ये फार्मूला क्या है और एंड हाउ डू वी यूज दिस फार्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द फ्लूइड मेंटेनेंस थेरेपी इन द चिल्ड्रन। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर आप पहली बार देख रहे हो तो वीडियो को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना एंड वीडियो को टिल द एंड यू जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक। चलिए शुरू करते हैं holiday and Sagar formula. See, this is a formula which is very standardized formula and very easy formula to calculate the maintenance fluid therapy in the children. See, here you have to remember this. So this is being used for the maintenance fluid. Maintenance fluid in the sense to replace the ongoing losses. Okay, so ongoing means, so once the fluid has been, whatever the fluid has been restored, so in order to prevent the ongoing losses, we keep the patient or we keep the child on maintenance fluid therapy. So in such cases or in such conditions, we do use this Holiday and Segar formula to calculate the fluid requirement. So this formula is basically based on the principle that the 100 ml of water is needed for 100 kilo calories of energy expenditure. Okay, so means when the body needs 100 kilocalories for the expenditure, so it needs 100 ml of water. So that is the basic principle behind the calculation using this Holiday and Segar formula. So in the Holiday and Segar formula, we have a two concept. One is for a fluid calculation for a day, total whole day. Okay, so we have a two things or two aspects here. So one is fluid calculation per day, how much of fluid is required, and another is hourly base. Okay, so hourly how much fluid is required. So both the in both the conditions, we calculate the requirement of fluid basically on the weight of the child. So we'll see how it is being calculated. So first we'll see the how it is being calculated for a per day. Okay, this is for the per day. See here what we do. For the first 10 kg of body weight, we consider 100 ml per kg per day, and for the next 10 kgs, that is 10 to 20 kg, we consider 50 ml per kg per day, and the weight above 20 kg, we consider 20 ml per kg per day. It is the maximum amount of fluid per day will be 2400 ml. So we don't give more than this 2400 ml per day, whatever may be the weight of the, you suppose if the child is weighing like a 50 kg and all, so we don't calculate according to the 50 kg. So there means it will comes more than the 2400 ml. So we restrict the fluid maintenance fluid, fluid requirement for a child is maximum of 2400 ml irrespective of the means a weight is being not considered if the fluid calculation goes above 2400 ml. Okay, so remember this. First 10 kg 100, next 10 kg 50, then the above 20 kg is 20 ml. So you just remember this like 100. Okay, so remember this like 100 bar 50 bar 20. Okay, so then another aspect, as I told, hourly calculation. So fluid requirement for the hourly calculation, here we use the formula 421. See, 4 to 1 means 4 stands for the 4 ml per kg per hour for the first 10 kg. For the first 10 kg, we calculate by 4 ml, and for the next 10 kg, that is 10 to 20 kg, we calculate by 2 ml per kg per hour. And next is 1 ml for each additional kgs. Okay, above 20 kg, so per kg we calculate for 1 ml, and the maximum amount of fluid is 100 ml per hour. So per day it is 2400, that is 2400 ml per day. So our limits it is 100 ml per hour maximum. Okay, so we don't give more than this fluid in the children. So now let's understand how some examples with how do we calculate the maintenance fluid therapy using this formula. Okay, so here are the some questions. A child is weighing 30 kg. Okay, weight of the child is 30 kg and admitted with the fever. The nurse calculates the fluid maintenance or the fluid requirement using the Segar formula. What is the total daily fluid requirement? Okay, so here the question is asking the daily requirement. So what is there here? Daily. Okay, so for daily, I told you to remember what do you remember? So we have to remember 100, 50 and the 20. Okay, so this you have to remember. So we'll calculate the for the first here the total weight is 30 kg. 30 kg. Okay, so first 10 kg, first 10 kg is how much? 100 ml. So the for the first 10 kg it will be 1000 ml. Then next another 10 kg, another 10 kg is 50 ml per kg, that is a 500. And the next how much is left? 10, 10, 20, another 20, 10 kg is remaining. So after the 20 kg, the remaining whatever the weight is there, so that is 20 ml per kg. So it is 200. So the total amount we get is the 1700 ml. So the fluid maintenance required for a child with the 30 kg per day it is. Okay, so per day it is 1700 ml, 1700 ml. So we'll see another example here. A nurse is preparing an IV fluid for 20 kg child. What is the hourly maintenance rate? Okay, so they are asking the hourly maintenance. So here hourly maintenance, what is the formula? 4 to 1. Okay, so for the first 10 kg, so total weight here is 20 kg. See, for the first 10 kg we calculate by 4 ml, so it is 40 ml. Then for the next how much is for the next 10 kg, so it is 2 ml, so 20 ml. So 10, 10, 20 weight is over. So the what is the total amount of fluid? Here it is 60 ml per hour it is. Okay, so when we calculate for the hourly, so we have to remember this 4 to 1 formula: 4 ml, 2 ml and 1 ml. Okay, remember 420 plus 1. Okay, then now the next another example here we have is a child is weighing 15 kg. Okay, the fluid requirement as per the Holliday-segar is daily fluid. So here they are asking the daily fluid. So it's again same, you have to calculate. So weight is of 15 kg here. Okay, so the first 10 kg, first 10 kg we are giving 100 ml, so it is 1000 ml. And next 10 kg, but here we don't have next 10 kg, here we have another 5 kg left. So for this 5 kg we give 50 ml. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, that is 250 ml. So the total is 1250 ml. So the answer here it goes to option B, that is 1250 ml. So this is for the daily requirement. So we have another example here. A child is with the same weight, but it is they're asking for here hourly calculation. So again remember 4 to 1. See, for the weight here is a 15 kg weight. So for the first 10 kg it is 4 ml, so means it is 40 ml. And for the another next 10 kg, so here we have another 5 kg here, so 2 ml, 5 2s are 10, so it is total is 50 ml is per hour. So this is how we calculate using the Holliday and Segar method or the formula. So hope this very small concept important for the exam point of view also. So hope you all understood the fluid requirement calculation or the maintenance fluid calculation in the pediatrics. Okay, so that's all for the today's session. So please do subscribe and share it to your friends or the students. So for them it will be helpful for in their preparation journey. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.